Hello, good morning. My name is Erika Cuero Benitez. I'm going to talk about the exercise in my college. I have different protagonists. Let's start. He is writing a poem for his girlfriend. They are building a house. Camila is teaching French at university. She is watching TV. Her husband. They are playing football. She is sleeping in her bathroom because she's tired. She is walking with her dog. Sophia is buying a new car. He is singing in a concert. In the last, they are running in the park, but he is happy because he is running with his wife. Thank you so much.